Navigating a car breakdown is never fun, but thanks to State Farm's mobile app, requesting roadside assistance is a breeze. Let's walk through the simple steps to get towing help right when you need it. First, open the State Farm mobile application on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate the roadside assistance or similar option. It's usually prominently displayed on the home screen, often under quick actions or within the insurance or policy section. Tap this option to begin the roadside assistance request process. Next, you'll likely see a list of roadside services. Select towing from the available choices. It is going to ask you what kind of assistance you need. The app will then ask you for your location. Ensure your location services are enabled on your phone. The app might automatically detect your location, or you can manually enter your address or use the map feature to pinpoint your exact location. Be as precise as possible. After entering your location, you'll be prompted to select the vehicle needing assistance. The app will typically display a list of vehicles covered under your State Farm policy. Select the correct vehicle experiencing the issue. Now, you will describe the issue. The app will ask you what the problem is. You can select the reason for the tow from a list provided, or you might be able to add a brief description of what's happening with your vehicle. Review the information. The app will then show you a summary of your towing request. Double-check that all the details, especially the location and vehicle information, are accurate. If everything looks correct, submit your request. Once your request is submitted, you will receive confirmation within the app. The app should give you an estimated time of arrival for the tow truck and provide a way to track its progress. Stay safe and stay put until help arrives with the State Farm app. Getting help is truly simple.